Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay down and melt down my lace front wigs. This is a full lace front wig that I made. I personally made this unit. If you want any details as far as what this hair is, what's the bundle, the full lace frontal, what kind of hair it is, how many inches I got, and everything like that, make sure you check down below in the description, and I will leave a card above of the review for this actual hair. Or other than that, this video is going to be definitely beginner friendly because I am not a professional. I am learning just like you guys are learning as well, and I want to teach you guys as I learn. So I hope you guys stay tuned to the end of this video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Come and join the family. I have a goal. We're trying to get to 10K, guys. That's like my first major goal for myself, so I would really appreciate it if you guys help me out. Other than that, let's just dive right into this video. Like a powder foundation or like a liquid foundation, and you want to add it onto a nude cap, this is going to give you that scalp illusion, so it looks super natural once you actually apply your wig and lay everything down. So just follow me. Now you're going to take your wig and you're going to put it on your head. At this point, you're basically just trying to see if your wig is fitting to your liking. You want to see exactly where you want to apply that glue. You want to see around your ears if you want to cut off any of the excess. Me, I actually wanted to have like the sideburns. I wanted it glued down the side of my face, and you guys will see that in a minute. So I'm actually checking it out right now. I'm pulling down my little sideburns how I want it, and I'm actually pulling the hair behind my ears because I'm figuring out how I want to glue mine down. Where I'm pulling those sideburns down, you can actually cut those off if you like and just cut it around your ear. I actually just wanted mine like this. So I'm going to be taking a scrunchie and I'm going to be pulling my hair back so that all of the extra hair can just stay out of my way while I'm trying to glue this down. Now you're going to see me pull the wig back because I am about to apply the glue to my hairline. So you're going to see that I'm using this Chic Bond glue, and I'm showing you it has the applicator tip, so you can just go right in and apply it to your head with the applicator. But I'm actually using this little I think it was like a little eyeshadow spoolie thing, and I took the bottom half off just so I can have the plastic part, and I'm actually using that to apply the glue right where I want it. Just make sure, guys, as you see me using my finger to make sure my edges is pulled back. You don't want to get none of this glue on your edges or on your hairline, so make sure, girl, that you are not applying that glue to your natural hair. You want it right above the hairline. Right above the hairline on your skin. So you want to allow this glue time to dry down. When it dries down, it actually dries clear. As you guys can see, it was white, then it dried down clear. So you want to pull that wig up and you want to place it right on the glue where you want it to be. It's always best to do one side at a time. So you're going to see me focusing on one side and just trying to get that wig exactly where I want it to lay. And I'm just pressing it down, and I'm pulling my sideburns down and pulling the hair behind my ear so I can see exactly where it's laying on that glue, and I'm just trying to get it secured. Once you get that side done, you want to focus on the other side and really just take your time and press it down and really work it in. You will have some excess glue at the top. That's very easy. You just want to take like a glue remover. This company, Chic Bond, has a glue remover as well. You want to use the glue to remove your wig, and you want to use the glue to remove any excess. So as you can see, hair is laid down. At this point, you want to go in and you want to actually take a powder that's your skin tone to make it look more natural, and you want to apply that powder to your hairline. Then you want to go in and you want to make your baby hairs and just put your scarf on, and that's it. so at this point, once you get your wig to your liking and it's laid, it's not going nowhere, it's tight, then you want to take like a powder or a concealer and you want to add it to your parting space. I always use my Black Radiance contour palette and I use that middle shade and I usually add that to my parting space. So let's do that now. So that's going to make the hair look more natural and stuff like that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and let me know how you guys think that I did. I'm not a professional, but I am learning and I am teaching you guys as I'm learning as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.